Bed check, dumbass.
Holy crap!
No, it is not a bad check. We just want to say goodnight, and we love you very, very much. What are you doing?
Oh, just nailing his window shut. For his own good.
What if there's a fire?
Well, then I guess you can just light your dope with it, dopehead.
Get out!
Whoa! Not so fast, Laura.
Idiot! Red's doing bed checks.
Bed checks!
And bless Mommy, and bless Daddy, and bless Grandma. Oh, hi, Daddy.
Sorry to bother you, kitten.